Hi Critter Crew! Welcome back to our video! Today is like a super duper exciting day because we've been waiting for this. It's been taking forever. But
scroll down.
Look! Keep on scrolling.
I get to claim my diamond egg.
I wonder if it gives you the extra 9. Does it give you the extra? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Mama has been working super duper hard for this. And we're finally gonna reset back.
Woohoo!
Do you want to click it?
I want to click it. Here we go. Boom. Yay! So you can keep earning prizes. Look at that, guys. It went all the way down to 0.
It didn't even give us a 9.
All right.
All of that
Let's hatch this baby.
work.
I hope we get a unicorn. I hope we get a unicorn.
Yeah, Critter Dad just came.
Yay! This Critter Dad.
Okay.
Let's get this diamond egg. Oh, and we gotta teleport to Aunt Daphne because Critter Auntie is we are gonna be making her neon fly ginger cat that she has grown all for. And we want to make it for her. So let's teleport to Critter Auntie real quick.
1 second. I'm going to get some drinks for the egg, if that's okay.
Girl, you went all the way around the kitchen.
Oh.
Don't forget to like, sub, and hit that bell. And we are currently working on Mega Butterfly, 2 Mega Butterflies. And Critter Dad has enough to make his last 2 saber tooths for his Mega. And then he'll be working on the Mega Shark.
I know.
Cobra.
Oh, he's been working on the Neon Cobra.
Look at how many drinks I got.
All right,
should be enough.
let's teleport to Critter Auntie and let's go ahead and make her Neon Ginger Cat.
And then we hatch the egg.
And then we can hatch the eggy.
Oh, by the way, she, as you can see, she has over 10,000 for the new mythical egg.
Yes, I'm so excited for this new egg, y'all. It's like, is the countdown ever gonna happen?
Gonna take until like August.
All right, so go ahead and get in Critter Auntie's family.
Sorry, it's taking forever.
And let's tell her, let's go to the Neon Cave.
Already.
Yeah. Oh, hang on.
Okay, hang on.
Go to the Neon Cave. And
oh, I said carve.
Oh, hang on.
Mama.
Okay. Oh, get on Critter Auntie.
Wait! Don't leave me. Tranquilla and Supertooth. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I hope Kelly joins us. Her name's Leah, but Kelly, it's like Kelly Well Beach or Kelly Beach Well or something like that. She wanted to join us.
Oh no, I accidentally hopped off.
Oh no.
It's fine. We can just go inside. I don't need a babysitter. I got my ukulele, a guitar. And I don't see Annabelle.
Oh, there she is. Oh, is that her? Is that Leah? That's Leah. Yay. That's Kelly. Yay. All right. So let's make the neon
jump around
ginger cat. So let's go ahead and put the first one in there. Okay.
Hello.
What are you doing? Honey, you got the ginger cats.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh.
She gave them to me so everybody could see them go into the thing.
Oops.
All right, here we go. First ginger kitty. Well, you gotta equip him, silly.
Oh my god.
Okay. First ginger kitty. Oh, I don't think you went in there.
Ooh, cat. You go in orange because you're an orange cat.
Yay. 2. 3.
No, it's tree.
Tree. Sorry. Okay. Last one here. Let's tell everybody. Not last one.
Yeah.
Last. Oh gosh. I can't type. Why is it not letting me type? Last ginger. Oh my god. Look at this. What is going on, Gabs? You're hitting the arrows. Last ginger cat.
GG. It's a Gingy cat.
There's Critter Dad. Look, he joined us.
Mama, it's a
Boom.
Gingy cat.
Yay!
If y'all don't know.
Yay!
Woohoo! Looky there.
I'm gonna talk.
That's so awesome. And I think it's a fly too. Look.
Yeah.
Here. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at doing the loud talk, y'all.
Don't let me do the laptop. I wanna fly.
Okay, now we gotta give it to Critter Auntie and let's hatch this diamond egg.
That took forever.
Yes. Even if I get a diamond griffin, I think I'll be like, I'm just so excited to have a diamond.
Oops, I accidentally traded.
Oh, you just gotta give it to her. Give it to her. Well, we haven't done a diamond egg. I got like the diamond unicorns, but I traded for those to make a neon.
Oh.
This is like actually my first diamond egg.
I've had a diamond egg.
Okay, now tell everybody time to hatch the diamond egg.
Aaron's
What
No,
are you doing?
I don't know how to spell it.
Oh. Time to hatch
Doom and egg.
diamond egg.
No, it's a doom and egg.
Woohoo!
I'm a mushroom. I'm a what?
Okay.
Someone just said I'm a mushroom. I'm a mushroom. I'm a mushroom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm a mushroom. Boom, boom. I'm a mushroom.
Well, obviously they're a mushroom.
They're a mushroom.
They had to let you know.
Apparently they're a mushroom.
No, they're a boom boom mushroom.
Okay, so hang on. Hang on, Critter Dad, are we making the neon saber tooth? I don't know if we're making them or not.
Okay, let's go.
Well, we're gonna do the first task for.
Oh, yes, we are.
Who said
We
that?
just pulled out a.
Oh no, we left though. We left. We're not in the neon cave.
Oh, he's walking around.
Okay, well we'll do the neon saber tooth after. After we hatch the diamond
Wait,
egg.
where'd you go?
I'll jump. Whee!
Gabriella.
Wait, that isn't me. I didn't do anything.
No,
I have an idea.
Hey, you gotta get on Critter Auntie.
I want to play. Hang on.
Okay.
We went to the park to
Oh,
play.
yeah, I went to the park.
Gabs. Can you not be so dramatic?
Surface.
What are you trying to get? What are you trying to get?
Something.
That is a rattle.
No,
You can throw the burger and fries.
no.
Wait, where are y'all?
We're at the playground.
Where?
I believe I can fly.
Oh my goodness. Okay, go back down to Daphne.
I believe I can
Yes.
touch the sky. I'm trying.
Girl.
I can't remember as soon as you want me to. This is boring. We're at the park to play.
Is boring hatching a diamond egg?
No, we were at the park to play. I'm still bored. E.
Like we are in the whiteness.
Teleport to Stitchy Ducks.
Go away from the light. Alright, come on, teleport to us. We're in at Daphne's house now.
Blinded by the light.
Doesn't it only need like 3 tasks to hatch?
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, and it's hungry and thirsty.
Yay. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, here, let me put in here. Last task. Oh, here, let's ride.
It's on the ride.
Okay, hang on. Last task.
Loose.
Yay.
Toss.
I feel like your head is squishing me. Oh, come on, unicorn or dragon, unicorn or dragon.
Uni-dragon,
I would love a dragon, but you know.
Uni-dragon.
What did we get? We got a dragon!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, we got a diamond dragon!
You just busted my eardrum.
That's kind of the point. Didn't you know that?
Yay!
Yahoo!
Yay! Dragon! Woo!
Okay, let's leave. Bye.
Dragon, dragon, dragon.
What shall we name it?
We should name it.
I don't know yet.
No, it's not dragon!
Oh, Critter Dad stole a dragon.
Roar, roar, roar. No!
He is a pet thief. Grr with the pirate.
No. You know what? You wanna? Okay, hang on.
All right, guys.
No.
Do we want to make the neon saber tooths right now, or do we want to wait till the next video?
Next video.
All right, guys.
But I must turn into a pirate to steal from the pirates.
Oh
I
Lord.
need the booty. Give me the booty.
Give me my dragon. Where'd you put my dragon?
He hid your dragon somewhere.
He ate it.
I don't think he can eat it.
Yeah,
Well,
you can
guys,
just stick it
until
on
the
the
next
fire,
video,
no.
don't forget to like,
Like,
sub, and hit the
that
bell. Bye, Critter Crew.
Bye, Critter Crew.
bell.